Welcome back to Formester. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create stunning surveys in Formester for absolutely free. Now, surveys can be very important to you if you're trying to gather valuable data from your employees or your customers to improve your workflow and ultimately scale up your business. So, without wasting any time, let's say how we can create a really beautiful survey that can actually engage with your audience and deliver results. So once you've logged into your Formister account, head over to the New Form tab. And from here, you have three options. Either you can choose from our free template, or you can start from scratch, or we have this new feature, which is AI Form Builder, which you can use to create a survey in just few prompts. Now, let's head over to start from scratch. And for this tutorial, we'll create a very basic brand awareness survey with a few fields, and we will show each field on a single page. Okay, so the person has to click continue or next to get to the next page. And in certain fields, we will use conditional logic to redirect the user to a different field. Okay, so let's lay out the outline for this survey. I have created a basic outline for the survey. So this is going to be the outline. And let's start by adding in the elements or the fields. So if you head over to this Add Elements tab, here you can see basic, personal, date and time fields, survey fields, and choices, and also a lot more below here. And it is all a simple drag and drop, right? So let's start the first field, which is how did you hear about our brand? This is a question, and for this question, we can have a single choice, multiple choice as the answers. We can also have it as a drop down. So let's go with multiple choice, and let's copy this first question, and let's drop it over here. And here we can have different options, search, social, and referral, maybe ads, and that's it. We can make this field required, so the user have to, has to fill in this field to go get to the next stage. We can also head over to the advanced to change the look of this field from standard to modern. Let's keep it modern. And you can also change the type of the question from multiple choice to single choice from here, so you don't have to add a new element over there. Sorry, let me go ahead and fill in the survey with all these different fields, and I will also customize the look of the survey, and then I will get back to you. So I have customized the survey, and I have added one field per page, and I have added a welcome page. This is the message. Now, if you head over to this design tab, you can find a lot of different options to customize the form. You can basically customize anything you want, so that's great. And we can also add a progress indicator, a progress bar to this survey, so the users will know how far into the survey they are. We can also allow them to pause and come back to the submission, allow users to resume submission. So yeah, there's quite a lot of options here. You can play around to find out how it will work. Now on page two, we have the gender, and then we have the age group, and then we have how did you first hear about our brand, and how did you have you ever used our product or service. Now here I have used a conditional logic to basically redirect the user to a different page if they clicked on yes. If they clicked on no or don't remember, they will skip to a different page. Now I will show you how it works. If you head over to the advanced tab under form control, you can head over to the rules, and this is the conditional logic I have set up. So this is the field. Have you ever used our product or service? If it is equal to no, or If it is equal to don't remember, then they will skip to the page number 6. So there's quite a lot of options here for you to play around. You can use conditional logic to do quite a lot of things. You can sort of create logic branches where you will be able to categorize your respondents into different categories and show them different pages. So there's quite a lot of functionality to this feature. So this is the page they will be redirected to if they clicked on yes. So here they will be able to answer in the question. And yeah, at the end, I have set up a thank you page, and that's about it. You know, it's very simple, it's very minimal, and you have like a ton of customization options. You can even code, add your own script to the survey if you want. But yeah, this is by far the best survey builder in my opinion. So please try, test it out, and if you have any feedback or suggestions, please drop them in the comments. We'll be glad about it. So yeah, now let's hit save and let's click publish. Let's go ahead and see how this form, sorry, how the survey looks. So the welcome message is here. Let's click on start. Let's say age group, and select this. If I select yes and then click on next, I will be redirected to this. And here you can see the progress. Here you can see the progress indicator. I can also skip to the previous page. And if I click on no, I will be redirected to a different page. So I can say yes. And here it's asking me to say something. And then I hit submit. And there you go. So that's it for this tutorial. If you want us to cover more topics, please drop them in the comment section. Uh, and if you have any suggestions or improvements to be made to our form builder, we'll be glad to hear about it. We'll really appreciate it. So yeah, thank you for watching. Happy form building.